Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I have a radio here we don't see too often, the Connex 4600 Turbo. It's getting some popularity this month because of the two transistor, bipolar transistor output, giving us a couple hundred watts of power on the old-fashioned transistor way. Some people don't like MOSFETs and they're gobbling these radios up. So get one while you can. This is for VIP in New Jersey. I got this watt meter set for 100 watts across the top. Radio's in high power, dead key in 440 watts. And now I'm going to change this 1-2 clicks so I have 10 watts across the top. And I'm going to turn the variable power all the way down. We see 4 watts there. Maybe a touch up. Is it 5? Yeah, 5 watts. Turn it up again for 40. Alright, 250 watt scale right up on top here. 200, 150, 100.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice.
Audio check, check. Pleasure. Audio. Audio check, check, check. Breaker 19 for a radio check if anyone's out there. Hello, radio, check, 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 check.
Sound real good.
I appreciate it, driver. Appreciate your time, man. You drive safe. Have a good one.
I'll say okay or something.